Fair warning, if you try these salted peanut squares, you may not be able to stop eating them.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everybody. First thing you're going to do is take a large microwave safe bowl. Add 1 10-ounce package of peanut butter chips. To this add 2 tablespoons of butter. Put this in the microwave at 50% power. Cook for 1 minute and stir. Then microwave in 20-second intervals afterwards until it's all melted. Then pour in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. That is a 14-ounce can. Stir together and then put it back in the microwave and cook it for 1 minute on high. Now we're going to stir in 1 jar or 7 ounces of marshmallow creme, also known as marshmallow fluff. This stuff is delicious, but it is such a pain to get out of those jars. It's so sticky. Stir that in until it's nice and smooth, and then we're going to add some Snickers bars. The recipe asks for 36 miniature Snicker bars, chopped up. Couldn't find the miniature ones, so I just used full-size bars. I looked it up online, and the equivalent is 8 full-size Snickers bars. So I cut them in half lengthways and then chopped them up into pieces and just added them to that mixture and stirred it together. Does not look amazing? Now we're ready to assemble. You'll need a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that's been lightly greased. You need 3.5 cups of dry roasted peanuts. You put half of those on the bottom. Now you'll see me salting these right now. I couldn't find dry roasted peanuts that were just simply salted. We have either unsalted or we have lightly spiced here where I live. And the lightly spiced one have paprika and other kind of flavors I don't think would go good with this bar. So I just added about a half a teaspoon of salt and just sprinkled them all over. You need the salt in this because that salt and sweet together is just what make these really, really good. Then you spread your marshmallow mixture on top and then top with the remaining peanuts. Spread them out and then you're going to lightly press them down afterwards. Now for the top layer I did the same thing. I just realized I had some flaky sea salt in my cupboard, so I used that instead. Another half teaspoon or so over top of the peanuts. And then take a piece of parchment paper and then you're just going to use this to press everything together because you want the peanuts to be in contact with that nougat so that it makes a bar. And then put it in the fridge and then just let it set and then cut it into pieces. The only thing I do different with these was I would line my pan with aluminum foil greased or with some parchment paper that's been lightly sprayed. Just so that you could lift it all out. It would be a lot easier to cut because it's a bit of a challenge to cut in the pan, especially when they're cold. These are absolutely delicious. Lovely crunchy peanuts, that yummy nougat with those chunks of Snickers bars in there. Just amazing, very decadent, but a really nice treat around Christmas time. On your screen right now are reindeer nibbles. These are really cute and they're actually quite good even for the grown-ups. Hope you give these a try. Thanks for watching.